Hi, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice 9-drawer dresser that we're going to redo for a client. So follow along as we get this project underway. Alright, our first step is to remove all the hardware. Our client for this project just wants the frame done, but I'm going to remove the hardware, clean it up, clean the drawers, make sure they're all nice and clean for it. We'll set that all aside. We'll paint the frame here, and then we'll take some pictures of it, see if our client likes it. She may want the drawers painted, she may not, but we'll give her that option. So let's get the hardware off, let's get these drawers out, make sure the frame looks good, and then we can start painting, or excuse me, sanding. How could I forget sanding? My favorite thing that we'll do. But then we can get to the fun stuff of painting. Alright, we got the drawers out. We're going to sand the frame down real quick. 120 grit sandpaper. It's already in really good condition. I just want something for the paint to grip to. We'll go over it once. We'll vacuum it out. We'll wipe it down. Get it nice and clean. And we'll start painting this piece. Do any of you guys want to paint or sand? No? Hey? Dog, do you want to do it? No? No? Alright, it is to our favorite part, the painting, the actual transformation of this piece. We're going to do this color green. It's called Frogger, so it makes it even cooler. Can't wait to put it on there. We're going to do the frame twice. We're going to start from the top, work our way down the sides, then we'll start finish with the front. Once we get two on, we'll put some of these drawers back in. We'll take a picture of it for the client, see if they like it. If we need to, we can still paint those. We've got the handles off and ready to go. So, let's start painting this thing. Probably about an hour and a half of work right here. Alright, we've let it dry. Now what we're going to do is put a little wax on it. We've already got the handles on the drawers, so we'll get this waxed, we'll get it under the tree, and we'll get some final pictures for you guys. Alright, here it is completed. 9-drawer dresser. We painted it a frog green, kept the drawers the same. I like this look. Hopefully they like it in their entertainment center. Subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. If you like this, give us a shout out.